back to JAS Leather. Today, instead of talking about handmade leather, I'm going to share with you a simple, beautiful DIY wall shelf project. Firstly, we need a blank wall where the shelf will go. Since I'm not skilled enough to make this by myself, so I asked some handsome carpenter from local workshop to help me finish the project. Secondly, sketch out your idea, measure and cut the wooden planks to the right size. And don't forget an important step, you should sand down the edge for a polished look. And then, once the wood is ready, you cut the strap evenly and stack them to the wall to hold the shelf in place. You can see the result is both cute and eco-friendly. It's easy to do, right? A simple, beautiful shelf that anyone can create. Thank you so much for watching and supporting this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss any of JAS Leather's exciting content. Bye!